Okay, so I figured I'd use this opportunity to show you another little function that UserSpice has as a 4.2, and it's for binary things. It's for when we have ones and zeros in the database. And so let's go ahead. I think it'd be good to know right away if the message has been read. So if we were to come in here and add another column, uh, read, we could do this with JavaScript, but we're gonna just use a built-in function, and so we're gonna add another row to the table. And so right now I'm just gonna leave that as it is. I'm just gonna show you that there's another column. Now we have this column read, but what we want to have happen here is we want to either have a yes or a no whether or not this message has been read. And so if you look in the database, you see that we have this message read, and by default it's 0, and then when they've read it, it's 1. So we're going to come into our code, and we are going to open up PHP tags. Then we're going to use a built-in function called bin or bin for binary. And then what we want to pass in there is whether or not the message has been read, which is exactly just the column from the database. That's all we're doing is telling it to give us that column from the database. If it is 0, then make it a red no. If it is 1, make it a green yes. And so we're going to save that, and then we're going to refresh the page. And voila, now we have this table that we can hover, and we have a binary yes or no whether or not they have read it or not.